finished the floor. I've already taken the dirty water out and put it in the bathroom. But it all looks really, really nice. It grooms the carpet well. It's just a little damp. Like, it suctioned all the water out. So, now we're in the bathroom, and the little thingy went up and made the suction stop, so it's time to empty it. And it has that little thing on top where you just pull it up and move it to the side. So let's see how dirty the water is. That's pretty nasty. Well, there wasn't that much dirt in there, and I think that's because the Hoover vacuumed it all out, but all of the non-vacuumable dirt was in there, and it's very easy to empty. To rinse it, I'm just gonna do that right there, fill it up, squish it around a few times. And that's it. Now I have a clean canister, and I will do a different room. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos.